Cakewalk versus BandLab music production software wins. Choosing the right music production software can completely change how you create and produce tracks without technical headaches. Cakewalk and BandLab both offer powerful tools with distinct approaches. Cakewalk and BandLab are two popular music production platforms. Cakewalk is a traditional full-featured digital audio workstation for Windows, while BandLab is a cloud-based collaborative platform accessible on multiple devices. The core difference lies in Cakewalk's depth versus BandLab's online accessibility. Cakewalk by BandLab is a professional-grade digital audio workstation designed for Windows users. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools for recording, editing, mixing, and mastering music with high precision. Cakewalk works by providing a robust interface with multi-track recording, VST plugin support, and advanced MIDI editing. Its strengths include deep customization, professional effects, and support for high-resolution audio. However, Cakewalk requires a Windows PC and a steeper learning curve, which might be challenging for beginners. It is ideal for users who want a powerful offline DAW with extensive control over their production process, especially musicians and producers focused on detailed studio work. Despite being free, it delivers features comparable to premium DAWs, making it a top choice for serious producers who prefer working locally and offline. BandLab is a cloud-based music creation platform that runs on web browsers and mobile devices, making it highly accessible. It allows users to record, edit, and mix tracks online with real-time collaboration features. BandLab works by syncing projects across devices, enabling seamless teamwork and sharing without installing software. Its strengths include ease of use, cross-platform availability, and integrated social features for community engagement. Limitations include less advanced editing tools compared to traditional DAWs and dependency on an internet connection. BandLab suits beginners, hobbyists, and collaborative musicians who value flexibility and cloud access over in-depth production features. It also offers free unlimited cloud storage, making it convenient for creators on the go or those who want to experiment without hardware constraints. Cakewalk and BandLab serve different needs in music production. Cakewalk excels in professional studio environments where detailed editing, plugin variety, and offline stability are essential. It's a great fit for producers with Windows systems who want full control over every aspect of their music. BandLab shines in collaborative and mobile scenarios, allowing musicians to create and share projects instantly with others online. It's perfect for beginners or teams working remotely who prioritize convenience and social features. The trade-off is between Cakewalk's depth and BandLab's accessibility. Producers seeking advanced production tools will prefer Cakewalk, while those wanting easy entry and cloud collaboration will lean toward BandLab. Choose Cakewalk if you need a powerful professional DAW on Windows with full offline capabilities and extensive editing tools for serious music production. BandLab is the best choice for creators valuing flexibility, cloud access, and collaboration across devices. Whether you're starting out or working with others remotely, BandLab's ease of use and online features make music production simple and social.